The fact that it's part of our company, it's part of our grower base, it's part of everything that we do is looking for sustainability. It has just been a great thing for our company. At Starr Ranch, we really look to eliminate single-use plastics. It's been a journey, but we're excited to present 2 or 3 different options for our retailers, which then goes to the consumers. One of them is a completely corrugated, 100% recyclable box. The other one is 100% recyclable high C2 plastic, which is basically reusable plastic that can go back into the recycling center and get reused over and over again. For us, it's, I continue to say the word journey, but I mean, it truly has been something we've been living for numerous years. It's not a buzz topic for Starr Ranch Growers. It is the topic for Starr Ranch Growers. We really are looking for ways to continue to reduce our carbon footprint. We not only worry about our orchards, but we also worry about the packages we're putting this product into. What this box represents is one, a great showcase of some beautiful fruit, which we have in numerous varieties. The other thing that it showcases, and the thing that really I'm the happiest about or most excited about, or what I really believe our company is about, is the reduction of plastic. This box right here doesn't look like much, but it has reduced 1,200 pounds of single-use plastics every truckload. It was about an 18-month project to get this thing going and get it approved, and we're seeing some tremendous results out at the retail level with this box, and they're just really excited to have it. And I'd say it's a true sign of how great our team is at looking at sustainability, and to come up with these ideas, to continue these steps forward, it has just been a great thing for our company. I couldn't be prouder.